In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your online store for free without writing any single form of code. Now, the name of the platform is called Sellevo, as you can see on my screen. So now the first thing you need to do is click on Get Started button. So now what we're going to do now, I'm going to fill in my information. So let's say sell demo. Now the name of your store, that's your business name. So I'm just going to call it sell demo. Then agree to terms and condition, then click create account. So as you can see on my screen, this is how my dashboard is going to look like. So now the next thing you need to do is you're going to click on scroll down, you're going to click on add product. So now what we're going to do now is on Sellevo you can sell both physical and digital products, but the most important thing is putting in your store information. So let's put this as the product information. So call this sell here. Then the selling price, this is like discount price, so your customer gets to see it on your screen. Then the stock is, let's say you have 10 stock available. Now for the categories, depending on your type of business, what niche you fall under, so you select the category. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click on fashion. Now visibility is going to show you if you want the product to be visible in your store or not. You can do it here, or after you've updated your product you can change it. So now if I'm going to sell digital product, I just have to click on this and it's going to automatically change to this. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go to physical product. So I can select the color of my product, that's if I have, and then the size. So let's say I'm selling like small clothes. So now for the image, I'm just going to select this image. I click on upload product. Now go back to my dashboard. Click on dashboard. So now over here you see that your store is live, the name of your business. So now when you click on preview, you see this is how our product is going to look like, our store is going to look like. So now if you want to make more changes, you can go over to add product again and do that, which is add extra product. Now you can also edit the product, so you can change it to what you want to change it to. So let's say we want to add multiple color, we can do that and just click on update product. So go back to our dashboard. So now the next thing is we want to make our store look way beautiful. So depending on the currency, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to sell Naira. Then my store by, I'm going to say sell faster on sell demo. And then I'm going to put the logo. So I'm going to put my logo, my store logo. If I have a banner, I can put that. So what I'm going to put here is my WhatsApp number. And then if you have any social media account, you can just put it here also. So click on save store settings. And then click back to dashboard. Now if we go over to this place and we click refresh, you see that your store is going to look like this. Now one beautiful thing about Sellevo is that you can also change your store template. So this is the first template that comes with your free account. So you can click on classic view and you can click on update. So now if we refresh this now, you see that our store design has changed automatically. So this is basically an overview of how to navigate your store on Sellevo. So if you click on toggle view, this is the mobile mode. You're going to see you can click on products to take you to your product section, and then you can go back to dashboard. You can also click on your orders. So if you have an order, you're going to see it, it's going to reflect on your dashboard.